Children, let me continue. Already we have seen what are blood vessels, what are the blood components, and what are the type of circulation, that is closed circulation and open type circulation of blood. Now we have to see which is the important organ of circulation, that is heart. We have to see the function of heart. Before watching the function of heart, let us see what is the structure of heart. Our heart is 4-chambered. How many chambered it is? 4-chambered. That is the top 2 chambers are known as auricle. The bottom we have 2 chambers, that is ventricle. These are the chambers of the heart. We have seen already vessels, that's different from this 4-chambered. 2 chambers on the top, that is auricle. 2 chambers from the bottom, that is ventricle. Both the auricle, that is right auricle and right auricle and left auricle. They same like right ventricle and left ventricle. Then blood flows from ventricle to auricle. That is impure blood, deoxygenated blood. It flows from ventricle to auricle. From the auricle it goes to the heart and purified. Okay, both the auricles, that is right auricle and left auricle, both are separated by auriculoventricular. Both auricle and left ventricle both are separated by auriculoventricular septum. There will be a mixing of blood, no, deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Just to avoid that, there is a septum. Septum means what? A partition, a small partition in between both the auricles and ventricles. So right side it is means right auriculoventricular septum, left side means that is left auriculoventricular septum. Okay, yeah. So the mixing of blood will be avoided. Heart is 4-chambered, I said. It's made up of special kind of muscle. That muscle is known as cardiac muscle. Our inner parts are made by many kinds of muscle, which is a specialized muscle here, cardiac muscle. Heart is made by cardiac muscle. It is covered by 2 layers. All the inner layers protected, I said in the very beginning, the same like heart also protected by 2 layers. The 2 layers are known as pericardium. Pericardium cover. Heart is protected by a special cover. It's made up of a special tissue, that is cardiac muscle. Pericardium is a protecting cover. In between 2 covers there is a gap that is filled by pericardiofluid. So what I said, heart is 4-chambered. The top 2, that is auricle. Bottom 2 will be that is ventricle. Both the auricles, that is right auricle, left auricle, both are separated by right auriculoventricular septum. The same like left side is separated by left auriculoventricular septum. So from the left, that is ventricle, from the ventricle the blood flows to the right. So oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood. In other term we can say as pure and impure. It is protected by a cover, that is pericardium. Pericardial fluid is there to avoid the friction of the heart. Clear? Then I said already what are the auricles and ventricles, blood vessels, weight, everything. So totally the flow of blood will be protected by valves. நம்ம பம்புலாம் வால்வ் இருக்கும் பாருங்கள், ப்ரெஷர் மேலே ஏறும். இந்த சேம் திங் ஒன்லி நமக்கு எப்படி ஏர் ப்ரெஷர் மேலே உங்களுக்கு ஒர்க் ஆகுதோ, பம்ப் த சேம் லைக் இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் பம்ப் வாட் இஸ் தேர்? ஹார்ட் இஸ் பம்பிங் ஆர்கன். ஹார்ட் என்ன பண்ணும்? பம்ப் பண்ணி இந்த பிளட் அப்படியே மேலே ஏற்றி கொடுக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த வால்ஸ் ஆர் தேர்? இன் ரைட் auricle and ventricle one valve I said, both the right side, that is right auricle and right ventricle, இந்த ரெண்டையும் செப்பரேட் பண்ணி ஒரு வால்வ் இருக்கும், that is known as tricuspid valve. Both right side, that is right. The left side we have the same like one wall, that is known as bicuspid wall. This other name also for this, that is mitral wall. Then apart from that, in between auricle and ventricle, semilunar walls are there. The blood is circulating through veins and arteries, veins and capillaries. I said what are the arteries? The largest artery is aorta. Any doubt in the structure of heart? Then the blood pressure, with the pressure it goes to left auricle to right auricle, left ventricle to right ventricle. In between there is a node, that is sino-auricular node. Sino-auricular node, otherwise known as SA. This is a very important part in the heart, sino-auricular. So because of this heart functioning only, we are finding out that pulse. Pulse is nothing else. Pulse we can find out. Normal pulse is 72 times 1 minute. For 1 minute, how many times it is? 72 times. Pulse rate. Pulse rate is, in Tamil we are saying as what? Nadi tudipun solluvom. For 1 minute, it must be 72 times. Okay, yeah. 1 minute. How many seconds? 60 seconds make 1 minute. Within 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, pulse rate is 72 times. That means it should pulse it. It creates a sound 72 times. So not even a second it is taking. So this pulse rate makes out to find out whether we are in the normal condition or not. So what is the normal pulse rate? 72 to 75. But exactly what should be there? 72 only. It may be changed due to the emotion or else some other time also. The same like heartbeat also. Heartbeat also the same like 72 times a minute. (70 to 90). Normal pulse rate is 70 to 90. Cardiac cycle I said already. That is pulse, heartbeat. Heartbeats, because of heartbeat only, blood flows from the auricle to ventricle, ventricle to auricle. Heartbeat. That is, what is the heartbeat? The sound of the heart is known as heartbeat. That is contraction and relaxation of muscles. I said heart is made up of a special kind of muscle, that is cardiac muscle. When the blood flows from ventricle to auricle, the veins which carry the blood, it opens. So, left and right open agum, it receives the blood and closes. That open agumbodhu or sound kodukkum, that is lub. It is the longer sound. Then closing time it produces a sound. The blood pressure that is shorter sound. So, one heartbeat longer sound, shorter sound. Simultaneously both happen together. Heartbeat also 72 times per minute. Normal heartbeat is 72 times. Pulse rate is 70 to 90. This pulse rate, heartbeat, whatever it may be, it increases due to the pressure, extra pressure, due to stress, strain, we can say like that. The opening of the auricles and ventricles, they are producing the sound. That sound is known as heartbeat, that is lub and tub. Lub is the longer sound, tub is a shorter sound. There is a two kinds of thing, that is systole and diastole. This sound is systole. This one is diastole. Normal blood pressure, because the flow of the blood is known as pressure, normal blood pressure is 120 by 80. This is normal blood pressure. So, what are the things we are saying? Heartbeat 72 times a minute. Then pulse rate is 70 to 90. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 8. If it is more, we are saying hypertension, hypotension. So, pressure is now beyond that, we are saying high pressure. That is hypotension. hyper. We are saying shortly BP. Then below that, low. Low means we have to say hypo. Hypertension and hypotension. Clear, children? Structure of heart we say. How many chambers it has? 4 chambers. Top 2 chambers are known as auricle. Down is known as ventricle. They are separated by ventricular right auriculoventricular septum. From the ventricle, the blood flows to right. The mixing of blood is separated by the septums. There are 3 walls in that. That is, the right side we have seen the wall tricuspid, left side bicuspid, in between semilunar walls. Sino-auricular node is very important. That is a pacemaker. Heart is covered by pericardium. The 2 type of movement of blood is known as blood pressure is known as that creates the heartbeat. That is systole and diastole. Okay. So normal blood pressure is 120 by 80. If it is more, hyper. Low means hypo. Clear? Then what are the instruments to find out the condition of the body? Even blood pressure, heartbeat, whatever it may be, there are some instruments. So we have to see what are the instruments, and everything is displayed in our lab. So while you are coming for the regular classes, let us see what is stethoscope and what is sphygmomanometer, which is the instrument to find out the pressure. So we have to see, next we have to see what are the instruments. Stethoscope. We are all familiar about the stethoscope because everybody we used to go to the doctor. Stethoscope is an instrument to find out the pulse rate as well as the functioning of the internal organs. Not only pulse rate, even internal organs. What are the internal organs? How they work? We can find out by using stethoscope. Function of internal organs is predicted by stethoscope. Next one is sphygmomanometer. Stethoscope you have seen already. This is BP instrument. What I said, sphygmomanometer, that is a BP instrument. I said normal blood pressure is what? 120 by 80. Even sugar level also like this only. So both the pressure and sugar both are simultaneously calculated. So they can say once you are getting the BP means normally what will be there? Diabetic problem also. Both are twins. So BP instrument, sphygmomanometer, 120 by 80. That is a normal level. We can find out. Nowadays modern sphygmomanometers has come. They are monometric digital. This is a modern instruments to find out BP, blood pressure. So clear? Then what are the things we have seen? What are the blood components? The components are platelets. You no need to confuse, keep everything clearly in the mind. Blood component, that is the thing, what are the things present in the plasma? RBC, WBC, platelets. This is components, blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries, oxygenated blood, veins, deoxygenated blood, otherwise known as impure blood, capillaries. It is tubal together and converts into either arteries or veins, blood vessels. And I said heart has 4 chambers, that is top thing is, just now we have completed. Top one is auricles, See the difference. This is arteries, that is auricles. And the bottom two chambers are, that is ventricle. Heart is covered by a protected layer, that is pericardium. Pericardium is covered with pericardial fluid. Okay, this is the structure of heart and the functioning of heart and how it is circulated. And sino-auricular node is very important. It plays an important role in the circulation of blood. The opening of the heart and closing of closing of the heart, that is how the blood enters from auricle to ventricle, ventricle to auricle. It produces a sound. That sound only known as what? Heartbeat. Longest sound is lub and the shortest sound is dub. So because producing this lub and dub sound, heart is known as myogenic heart. What heart it is? Myogenic heart. It's made up of a special kind of muscles, that is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle cannot be seen in any part of our body. Next we have to see blood group. So totally in our blood, no, there is one antibody and antigen. What are they? I say one antibody and antigen. Based on that, we can divide the blood groups. What are the blood groups? A, B, O, sorry, A, B, then O will go. So how can we classify the groups of the blood? By seeing the antibody and antigen. Donating blood is very important because blood is a river of, like river. How without water we cannot live, the same like without blood we cannot live. So whenever the person gets loss of blood by doing operations or some other accidents, immediately should be satisfied. So donating of blood is highly appreciable. So we can find out, how can we find out the groups of the blood on seeing the antibody and antigen. So antibody, what is present in A cannot be seen in B. The same like AB. So totally O group, that is they can give the blood to all. So they are known as donors. They can give the blood to everybody. யாருக்கு வேணா அவங்க blood கொடுக்கலாம். So அவங்க வந்து donors. AB, they cannot get the blood from all the group blood holders. That is A லேருந்து வாங்கலாம், B லேருந்து வாங்கலாம், O லேருந்து அவங்க blood receive பண்ணிக்கலாம். So they are known as recipient. They are receivers. So the grouping of blood can be first found by Carl Leinster. Carl Landsteiner. He is the main person who groups the blood. So before that it was not finding out blood nu irukku theriyum, adanda group enna theriyadu. So this is by Carl Landsteiner. He only found the groups. Then later on after him, so this name and all you have to De Castello and Steeny, they founded the blood has one antibody and antigen. So we'll see, I said already they are universal donor, they are universal recipient. Then A antibodies cannot be seen in the B, the same like antigen. So let us see in the other class what are the antibodies present in that.